also want to take this opportunity to acknowledge prior members as well who conducted these events very well. Okay.
My Home Group is a 1500 crore, 2-decade-old company headquartered at Hyderabad. Even the leadership of Dr. Rameshwar Rao Jupali, the group has grown rapidly and has its presence in construction, cement, power, consultancy and education. Promoters of My Home Navadipa and My Home Jewel. Their new ventures, My Home Abra and My Home Vihanga. If you plan to buy new houses, flats, please contact My Home office at My Home Hub.
Take a couple of minutes, before we end this this event or this thank you notes. I would just like to say thank you to the cultural committee. You saw all the members; they really worked hard to make this event happen. So thank you, team. And not last but not the least, I would say, I would also like to invite on stage, and I don't know if they are both here, Mr. Ratnam Chaudhary and Mr. Pankaj Bansal. I just wanted to thank them for all that they have done in the community for that many years. They've set the tone for us having these annual days. It started under the aegis of that new committee which got formed, and a lot of good practices have been put in place. And like Mr. Paparao said, it's the onus of the new committee to take a lot of this forward and build it up from there. Mr. Ratnam Chaudhary, can I have you on the stage, please, if you're there? And Mr. Bansal. Yes, I can see Mr. Bansal.
Mr. Ratnam Chaudhary and Mr. Pankaj Bansal, audience.
Would you like to share a few words?
Depends. I can only say very, very good luck and all the best to the new committee. It's a very, I can say, well into the kind of maintenance practices, and also they have a lot of experience in terms of office administration. I hope they will deliver what all we need now to make this My Home Navadipa back to what it was a year and a half ago. We want that vibrancy and the best of the maintenance standards. That's what we wish from you people. I wish you all the best, and definitely we can see a sea change in next 6 months. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the wishes, and I'm sure.
Call upon President Mr. K. Paparao to do the honors.
For badminton girls single category, winners are, first prize goes to Muskan Kanchal. She's the winner. Muskan Kanchal, the winner for badminton girls single category. Second prize goes to Satvika.
Now for badminton kids category under 10, winners are first prize to Sai Rishi, Varuna 707. second prize goes to Pranil Reddy, Varuna 410.
For badminton kids category under 16, winners are, first prize goes to Dhruv. The winner of badminton, Dhruv. Audience, can we have a louder round of applause for these winners? They have really worked hard. Second prize goes to Sai Negi Reddy. A little louder, audience. Your clap should be louder than the music playing behind. And our own talented bunch of kids.
I would also take this opportunity to thank the coordinators for badminton, Mr. Subhash Boda, Mr. Prashant.
Our first prize goes to Sachin Tunga. Audience, clap, please. We have all enthusiastic audience of Navdeepa here. Second prize goes to Sri Ram Nagarajan.
Now for chess under 15 category, winners are, first prize to Kushal Dulla, Vayu 304. And second prize goes to Aditya J, Varuna 606.
Aditya. For chess under 15 category, runner-up Aditya.
Now for 10. Second prize goes to Arjun Rao Varuna 402. It's Arjun actually, isn't it?
Audience, please could you clap, please. I think the management committee has louder claps than yours. It should not happen, right? For tennis under 16 category, winners are, first prize goes to Shashwat Gupta. Second prize goes to Anish.
Now we would like to thank the coordinators for tennis, Mr. Subhash Boda again, Coach Kiran Tenali and Mrs. Sudha. Raja Pushpa Properties for their sponsorship. It is an award-winning group, both for its design and architecture. Raja Pushpa is a unique destination for one and all. Raja Pushpa takes utmost care in every minute segment and offer a wide range of state-of-the-art technology and incomparable designs. If you plan to buy a new house, flat, please contact Raja Pushpa team.
Now I would like to thank Mrs. Red Fence Electronics Private Limited for sponsorship. One of the leading system integrators for CCTV, boom barriers, RFIDs, video analytics, other electronic security products. Their clients, Residential, My Home Navdeepa, Fortune Towers, Raj Pushpa Properties, Meenakshi Group, DSR Constructions, Ramke, NCC. For educational institutions, government organizations.
So, a round of applause for our staff, please.
नवदीपा के स्टाफ मेंबर्स की देखो शक्ति ये दिखा रहे हैं डांस में अपनी देशभक्ति. Presenting dance by our very own staff member. Give them a standing ovation. They have really taken out time from their schedule for this performance. We will introduce the staff, please.
That was indeed a performance for the Republic Day, right? Now I introduce the names of those who performed here. J. Sairam, K. Satya Sai Sagar, Madhu, Kishore, Saidulu, D. Srinu, Munuswamy, Anjanelu, Chandrasekhar.
Are my home residents who have achieved recognition on either state or national level. For doing the honors, I would like to call upon Mrs. Sumita Davda. Mrs. Sumita Davda is 1991 batch IAS officer. She has served across in several roles in Andhra Cadre and central government, including recent assignment in Beijing. She has also a great academic track record with MPhil in economics, besides
Recognition at the state and national level.
Anvita Reddy, she has represented Telangana state in under 14 category in the sport of basketball. She has won state level championship in October-November 2014.
He is state, national and state level basketball player. He has won many state level championships and represented Andhra Pradesh in national basketball tournaments. He has also represented Telangana state in national basketball tournament. He has received player of tournament twice in inter-school and inter-district tournaments.
Next we call upon Aruna Raju. Aruna Raju. She's a natural archery player. She secured a place into Telangana state archery team in September 2014 after winning a position in the inter-district archery tournament in compound archery. She represented Telangana state in the senior national level championship conducted by Archery Association of India in New Delhi in October 2014. We will now have the second set of prize distribution for table tennis, carom and basketball. Please could we request all the kids, winners and runners-up, could you please come towards the stage?